to Wildflower's YouTube channel. Insane. Oh God, this is scary. Hi. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I might need like that dress. Look at all the Easter stuff. This is like the perfect store to do this at. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Come on with this. Should I make her kind of crazy? Like I could do like kind of insane. I feel like this is a fun vibe for Devon. Easter Sunday. She's cute. Wow.
I love that coat.
This is so cute. I'm just like shopping. Kelsey, look.
The bag?
Yes. This is so cute. This isn't for Devon, but it's for me now. Okay, let's go over here. These seem very Easter colors, actually. I just love pastels for Easter. Pink, yellow, purple. Oh, that is cute. Has a little shawl. Look at how cute. Little matching. No. Change my mind. Do I go for a dress or do I like get her a whole outfit? Oh, another hat. Easter hat. Easter. This is so not Easter. Valentine's Day. This is so cute, actually. That's like so Easter and so cute. And look, the matching bag. Should I like ask someone to take it off? I think that's the outfit. Oh gosh. Should I add these to it? Oh my God. I hope she picks this for, oh, wait, low-key. But this is what I want her to pick for me. You can tell her. Excuse me. There's an outfit on the mannequin that, is it possible to take it off of? It's like knitted in this back corner. Isn't that cute?
So cute.
Isn't that like Easter vibes too? And like would be cute on Devon.
It'd be really good. Is that like a choker?
Yeah, so we have somebody in store who makes these. She's here Wednesday.
Makes this?
Yeah, she made this.
No
this
way.
Whole little section is all hers.
Oh my God, I need to look more at all of them.
She would be thrilled to know.
Yay. Also, there's a pink dress in the very front that's like kind of glittery sequined that I really want.
You want to try that?
It's on a mannequin. I really love
Here's
it.
the top.
Thank you. This is so cute. This is perfect.
And then
Oh my gosh,
here's
thank
that.
you.
And then
This sparkly pink one, yeah. That's gonna be so cute. I love this store.
I guess it's my turn to pick out Sydney's. So let's find some stuff. On Easter, we're pretty like casual, to be honest, but I don't know if Sydney went for like Easter vibe or like our family's Easter vibe. These might be Sydney's size. We kind of have big feet. I don't know if she got me shoes either. Okay, these are like slips. Let's go over here. Oh, okay. I think we're in the right section. I love shopping. Sydney doesn't really like shopping as much as I do. I like want it to coordinate with the case. I promise I'll find something. Sydney, leave. Move. This low-key could work. It's kind of cute. I think it's 70s. The cool thing about this place is it says this is from the 1970s. Okay, this is an option. Oh, polka dots are cute. This is so cute. That's so Easter. Come on. Maybe we should get like accessories. Whoa, Betsy Johnson. That's pretty cute. These are all Betsy Johnson. I'm like semi-confident in what I've chosen. Okay.
You guys finding everything okay?
Yeah.
Do you want me to hang on to some stuff for you?
Yes, please. These two.
Got it.
Thank you. I see polka dots and I'm just happy. Oh, this is so cute. Delia's. This is really cute. But I feel like, should she wear black on Easter? Like Easter Sunday, I don't know if you're supposed to wear black. Maybe I'll stick with my two options, but this is adorable. And like, I guess yeah, it does go. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that dress and then maybe a bag. Should we look at bags over here? Wait. Oh my god, like an earring would be fun. These kind of match the pink dress. I'm just gonna like go full Sydney. We'll do the earrings. Oh my god, that big purple bag is so cute. Okay, it's going a little more like bright colored than I thought for Easter. I love this bag. This is a cute bag. That's a fun bag. It's a really good bag. Wow. So I want this. Oh my god. I mean, could you be more Easter than that? Easter, Easter, Easter. Oh, you know what could be cute is if she does the yellow dress and has this with it. That could be an option. Come on.
What's on your head?
For Sydney?
Why do I feel like Sid should wear this in a cooking video?
I know, that'd be so
Right?
cute. Yeah, it would.
Something with cherries.
This is cute. Actually, maybe this is better with the yellow than this. It's cute. Sydney. I think that's cute. Go Kelsey. I don't think Sydney would. I don't know, maybe she would like this. I just like the pleated skirt, like the drop waist with the pleated skirt. Maybe she won't like it. Maybe it's only me. But I do like this bag. The color is Easter. I'm feeling good about the pink dress and the baby yellow dress. This polka dot dress is like cute for me. Oh my god, these are cute. I think yellow dress is my first option. If it doesn't fit, then pink dress and then this as far as Easter vibes. So then this will go with the yellow. And then let me find something for the pink. It'll be an Easter extravaganza. I said extravaganza in the last video, I noticed. I guess that's my favorite word. Ooh, a cardigan could be cute. Like a cardigan and a skirt. That's kind of unexpected. I'm gonna keep looking for accessories. This is pretty cute. You know what? These kind of match the bag a little bit.
I'm like, I don't even know this person, but this is fun.
Oh, this is so cute. I love this. I think I'm done. And I really want her to wear the yellow.
with the polka dot dress. Pearls are cute. Should she do pearls? Okay, I think I'm gonna add some pearls so she can be like, you know, and surprise her with these. Is anyone in here? Nobody's in here. This is my room. Are these all my things? These are. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Seriously. She's serious. Devon. Okay, ready? Oh, she just found more.
We're gonna present to each other's outfits. I'll go first.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I have a few options that I pulled for you
Oh,
today,
there's
Sydney Carlson.
options.
So the first option is this darling yellow.
Oh, it's a little stuck.
It's a little stuck.
That's
It's a
so
darling
Easter
little
and
yellow
cute.
Easter. So adorable. And I thought you could do it with these green earrings.
Very cute and sweet.
And sweet. And then
Oh, and the
this
bag.
green bag. Okay, so it's just a little
So cute.
sweet
Yay.
set. Okay. Your second option was, I'm setting the jewelry right here. I was gonna originally do this pink dress, but
Okay.
it's like a little too shiny for me. And I was also gonna do this, but
Polka dots.
I don't know if black is for Easter in my world right now.
Totally agree.
So
That feels more Easter. Oh,
either
how did you find this bag?
could be a very cute
Okay.
Easter moment.
This is like so unfair that you found this bag.
This,
How many options did you get?
wait, where is it? Oh, and look at this cute bracelet. All inspired by Love Stitch.
Okay, well, mine,
I'm scared.
this is actually a set that was hand knit by
Oh my god.
a woman that comes in here and brings them.
No way.
This Easter skirt.
Oh my god, wait, it's
the
actually so
matching Easter
cute.
top. And I also found these along the way that you have to wear with.
Okay.
And I didn't know if you like if it needed something to dress up or not, but I think like a little. Yes, that's the bag.
Adorable. Oh, this is so Easter.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Easter colors.
Good job. We're gonna try these on and we'll get
Be
right back.
Reveal in 3, 2, 1. I'm loving the bag of the green with the green earrings. I love green. It's also the color of my. It's like something to do with Aries stone or something. Am I making that up? I don't know. Green.
Priscilla vibes.
Yeah, Priscilla.
This is so cute. It's a little scandalous for Easter.
We're having a scandalous Easter this year.
But I do like that it's on theme with the love
Yep,
stitch.
and matches Stitch. See, I did that on purpose because it's stitched.
But it's really cute, and I went with the pearls.
And the phone fits perfectly in the matching mini bag. Happy Easter. The Love Stitch case is available now, so you can get it and match us and be in the spring spirit, just like we are. Now we're gonna do a lot more shopping because I am not done in this store.
Yeah, I know. Thank you for watching. We
Love you.